So David, probably you have imaged a different weekend for the second round of the European Championship.
Yeah, it was a very difficult weekend. I think we were too slow from the beginning. Yeah, but I think we'll come back stronger and faster.
Why you were so slow compared to Genk? Different conditions, so you didn't find the setup or something else, I don't know.
Yeah, the different conditions, the other chassis, like small problems.
And did you like the track, or you didn't find the right feeling with the track?
No, I don't like the track. There are also no overtaking spots. Yeah, but next race, World Championship in Le Mans, and we will see how it will go.
Which is the balance today of your championship? I mean, you are happy for the result because you are second in the championship, you showed your performance in Genk, so you are satisfied, or you are disappointed because you wanted to fight for the championship?
You have like mixed feelings because we want to win the championship and we also get second with a bit of luck, and I think we should be happy of the result.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Bravo.